Hi there, students. To vend. To vend. It's just a formal word saying to sell. Let's see, I'm sure you know the word a vendor. Well, a vendor vends things. A vending machine. Yeah, it's where you vend products. You put your money in the machine and you buy the product. The machine sells you the product. So we use this verb vend very often with what a vending machine does. But to vend, it means to sell. It's a formal word saying saying to sell. It's a synonym. Now particularly through a vending machine, but not necessarily. So he vends a strange set of items. He goes from door to door vending small items to people. It's also quite common to use this verb to vend, meaning to peddle, to sell in small amounts. Perhaps to go from door to door or to stand out on the street. To vend, to offer something for sale, but especially by peddling small amounts. A flower seller on the corner of Covent Garden vending flowers. Or you go to a tourist destination and there is a huge array of different stands trying to vend all sorts of things that you might want. Okay, so to vend, to offer small items for sale, yeah, from a stall or from a slot machine. Or you could use it as a formal legal word. The company makes and vends safety products for industry. Okay, so to vend, to sell something. Well, selling is always quite a special thing. To engage in selling, to sell as a hawker, as a peddler, to hawk, to go from house to house or to go from person to person trying to sell whatever you've got. To fly pitch, to put your things on the ground and try to vend them. Or maybe in the Victorian days you'd have a little tray held around your neck to vend the things. And then to vend, as in to sell by means of a vending machine. So to vend, to sell goods for a living, to sell things to make your make the money that you need. To vend small products from a stall on the side of the street. To vend, to engage in the sale of merchandise. To vend, to sell something. This company vends a range of sporting gear. In the local market, there are many traders who vend locally made products. To vend, to sell something to someone. Vend, it's a formal word. It indicates the selling of small articles like they do in a vending machine. Yeah, you could maybe compare to sell, to vend, and to peddle. I think sell is general. Peddle is to go around. Do you want to buy some of my socks? I think vend is probably towards that as well, but a more formal word. Okay, so to vend. Formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5, maybe 6.5 in formality. Use in I think you could probably use this in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. It comes directly from French, vendre, to sell, from Latin, vendere, venom, something for sale, and dare, to give. So vendere, venom, sale, and dare, to give for sale. So enough If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To Vend.